Hi students, today we will discuss Chinese remainder theorem. It is also called as CRT. It is used to solve a set of congruent equations. So this symbol is called congruent, okay? So x is congruent to a1 mod m1. Okay, it's congruent equation with one variable but a different moduli. It means your moduli value will be different, like m1 m2 m3 values are different, which are relatively prime. The value of m1 m2 m3 should be relatively prime, means that the division means the multiplicative will be only 1. Okay, so relative prime means the numbers we should have divided by only 1, like 3 5 7 will be having the co-primes, like a relative prime is also equal to a co-prime. Okay, now this is just shown below. It should be like this: x is equals to a1 mod m1, x is equals to a2 mod m2, and x is equals to ak mod mk. Means any number of equation can be there. We have to find the value of x here. Okay, now states that the above equation have a unique solution if the moduli are relatively prime. Okay, unique solution will be there. So this thing they have explained with an example. So consider this as an example: x is congruent to 2 mod 3, and x is congruent to 3 mod 5, and x is congruent to 2 mod 7. Okay, the solution to this set of equation is given in the next section. So 23 is congruent to 2 mod 3, 23 is congruent to 3 mod 5, and 23 is congruent to 2 mod 7. Okay, means x value is 23. How we get it? Okay, that is a solution. So you have to follow these steps to solve this problem. So firstly you have to find the value of capital M, that we will get by multiplying the value of m1 m2 and m3, means 3 into 5 into 7. So 3 5 is a 15, 15 7 is a 105. So here m value will be is equals to 105. Okay, then you have to find the value of m1, which is equals to m divided by m1. M is 105 divided by 3. When you divide 105 by 3 m1, then you will get m1 as 35. Okay, similarly m by m2, that is divided by 5, the answer will be 21. The next value m3 will be 105 divided by 7, so the value will be 50. Okay, then find the multiplicative inverse of m1 m2 and m3 using the corresponding modulo m1 m2 mn. Call that as a inverse of the function. Now this is the main task. We will discuss that how to find now. The formula to find the m inverse is m1 inverse should be congruent to 1 mod m1. Means we know the value of m1. m1 value is 35. We have to find the multiple such that 1 mod 3. We should get the remainder as 1 when you multiply with that value. Okay, here you have to substitute the value and you have to find it. So if you multiply this one, 35 into 2 will get 70. 70 divided by 3 will be 23. Okay, remainder will be 1. So we can consider that m inverse should be equals to 1. Okay, so how? If you substitute 35 into 2, the answer is 70. 70 is congruent to mod 3, means you will get the 1 as a value of it. So m inverse is equals to m1 inverse is equals to minus, okay, is equals to 2. The similarly you have to find m2. So m2 value is 21. m2 inverse congruent to 1 mod 5. Okay, m2 small m2 value is 5. Now you have to find here such that the value is remainder should be 1. So 21 1, if you consider 5 fours are 20, so you will get 1 as a remainder. So m2 inverse is equals to 1 here. Okay, m2 inverse is equals to 1. You can substitute and find the value. Similarly, so don't confuse with the thing. Mod means you should consider the remainder. Okay, so when you divide 25 with the 21, 4s are, so 20 remainder is 1. Here you should get the remainder, this value as 1. Okay, you have to consider this value such that the value when you divide you should get 1. Okay, similarly m3 inverse, so m3 value is 21, sorry, m3 value is 15 and it should congruent to 1 mod 7. Okay, now 7 2s are 14, so 14 means again you will get the 1 only, so remainder will be 1, so m3 inverse is also equals to 1. Okay, now we got the value of inverse of the following function. Now you have to substitute all the values in this formula. Okay, now x is equals to a1 means our first value. Here what is our value? 2. So 2 into m1 is 35 into m1 inverse is 2. Okay, again plus a2 is 3 into m2 is 21 into 1, again plus 2 into m3 is 15 into 1. Okay, the whole thing mod capital M, so capital M value is 105. Okay, so when you solve this equation you will get the answer as 140. Okay, so 140 plus 21 3s are 63 plus 15 2s are 30. So answer will be 3, 9 plus 4, 3 and 2. 233 mod 105. So when you solve, you will get it as 23 as your remainder. Okay, so the answer of x is 23. So this is the method of solving the problem. So your main thing is you should find the inverse, all other things are easy. Okay, so I will revise how to find the inverse. You have to substitute the value such that the remainder should be 1. Okay, if you take 1, so 35 divided by 3, so the remainder will be 11 is 33, so remainder will be 2. So we will not consider 1. Again you have to solve with some other value. Okay, now 2 is 70, no? So 35 twice we are taking, so 35 2s are 70. Again if you divide it, so 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9, the remainder is 1. So we are considering here the value as 2. We are multiplying 35 by 2, no? So we are considering the m2 as 2. Like that we have to find the remainder and then we have to substitute in the form. Okay, so this is about the Chinese remainder theorem. So this is one of the important question. They will ask for 10 marks. Okay, so one more example they are given, you can try this one. So this is a solution which I have explained. So they didn't give how to solve the m1 inverse, so this is a method that I have explained. So go through with the problem. Okay.